bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Pressing the reset button on your Ring doorbell erases all settings and restores it to factory defaults. This deletes Wi-Fi connections and personal configurations, so you'll need to set it up again. It's a quick fix for persistent issues or to prepare the device if you're giving it to someone else.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.